The Ram 2500 has what it takes to get the big jobs done right. It's infused with heavy-duty capability, connected, convenient, comfortable, and built to last. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, remote engine start, backup camera, fog lamps, electronic stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, tow hooks, trip computer, power windows. Attack your projects with the strength and power that leaves no room for doubt. Drive the Ram 2500.